In today's unpredictable world, safeguarding your essential documents is more important than ever. Natural disasters, house fires, cyber attacks, and even human error can put your vital information at risk. But with the right plan, you can stay prepared and recover faster. Let's explore how you can protect your essential documents. Natural disasters like floods, wildfires, and hurricanes can cause irreparable damage to physical documents. Floods can soak and destroy paper records, wildfires can turn entire collections into ash, and hurricanes can scatter documents over wide areas. Identifying the natural threats most likely in your area helps tailor your protection strategy. Fires can destroy documents in seconds due to intense heat and flames. Storing papers in fireproof safes or keeping digital copies can ensure their survival even in extreme conditions. Cyberattacks target electronic records through hacking, malware, or ransomware. Use a storage system that includes advanced cybersecurity features like encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security updates to prevent data breaches. Trustworthy includes all of those features. Human error, such as accidental deletion, document misplacement, or incomplete backups, is often overlooked but can be just as damaging. A disaster recovery plan can ensure quick and efficient recovery of your documents. Here's how to build one. Start by creating an inventory of all essential documents, including personal identification like passports and birth certificates, financial records such as bank statements and tax returns, legal documents like wills and deeds, and medical records. Categorize these documents based on importance and urgency. This will help you prioritize which documents need immediate attention and which can be addressed later. Choose appropriate storage solutions. Digital vaults, like Trustworthy, offer world-class encryption, automated backups, and secure access management. For physical documents, consider using fireproof and waterproof safes to add a layer of protection. Create a detailed response plan that outlines the steps to take in the event of a disaster. This should include key contact information, a list of essential documents, and specific procedures for document recovery. Regular digital backups are essential to ensure the most recent versions of your documents are always available. Schedule automatic backups for digital files and periodically review and update your physical document inventory. Emergencies can happen anytime, but with a strong document protection plan, you can face the future with confidence. Start securing your important records today before disaster strikes. Stay safe and prepared with Trustworthy, your secure digital vault for life's important information. Visit trustworthy.com to get started.